guys, this is Marissa Montes, an art instructor of Able Arts, and today we're going to learn how to paint using food coloring. And we have red, we're going to pour red. We have yellow, we're going to pour yellow. And then we have green, we have to pour green. And aside from that, we have adaptive tools like toothbrush, a cotton swab, a paper plate, a pencil, and a cotton band, and a newsprint or maybe plastic bag so as not to make a mess on the table or to anything that you're working on. And then we're going to start drawing a simple flower like daisy. That's the flower. Now we have this too. Then we're going to make the leaves. Then we're going to start using the toothbrush. Stir the food coloring and then tap on it and then begin to apply with the drawing. Just a simple stroke. Dip it again. And again until you come out with a daisy flower. Then if you want to make a leaf, use the cotton swab, dip under the green color. Dip it again. Dip it again. Then make a leaf. Now, if you want to highlight the color of your daisy, you can make use of yellow food coloring and brush it gently. And ta-da! This is the finished painting. I hope to see you next time and enjoy your day.